Kasama mo pa rin ang Diyos kahit na antala ang iyong mga plano sa buhay. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at magkape pandasal. This Advent, let's reflect on this. Life has a funny way of throwing our best laid plans completely off course. Much like the way Joseph's world was turned down by an angel's message. Maybe you've experienced this with college plans, career goals, or even relationships. When things don't go according to your own timeline, it can feel scary and confusing. But Joseph's story offers a profound truth, the promise of God with us, Emmanuel, isn't just a biblical phrase, it's a lifeline. It reminds us that we're never alone in our struggles, whether we're navigating academic stress or a broken heart. When our own path feels uncertain, trusting in a greater purpose can provide the guidance and comfort we need, even through help that comes in the most unexpected ways. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Ama namin, naway lagi kaming maging matapang sa pakikibaka sa buhay dahil kasama ka namin sa lahat ng oras. Amen. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat.